Hello, in this video we will show how to create a monthly employee and the monthly employee payslip. For that, first we need to create an employee. So I am first creating a contact. So I am creating test month employee. Okay, now I have created an employee. Next, I have created a contact. Next, I am going to create an employee. So here we need to mention the contact generated. Here we need to mention the job position, and here we can mention the timesheet cost. In employee type tab, we need to mention the payment type and wage. Here I am mentioning this employee as monthly employee and giving the wage as 5,000. Okay, I have created a contact and an employee. Next, I am creating a lead. For that, go to Ends Manpower and CRM. Inside that, my pipeline. So I am creating a CRM lead with that employee name. Now we need to mention the job position needed and the contract period in enquiry lines. I am mentioning the contract period as 2 months and the contract start date I am giving as April to June, that is 2 months. So here I am mentioning the normal hours as 8 and number of employee as 1. So if we go to this quotation detail, here the normal hours and job position, and for that job position what is the price unit, you can see. Here we need to mention it is hourly, daily or monthly. So I am giving as monthly and I am giving the extra hour charge as 100. So the approved price I am giving as 1000. After that we need to mention the PO number. After mentioning the PO number and all, we need to click on this mark one. After clicking the mark one button, we can see many smart buttons. First we need to assign employee. So I am clicking on this smart button employees. Here I am clicking on edit and assigning the employee. I am saving this one and clicking on this create contract. So I have created a contract. If you click on this contract, you can see the contract from date and ending date. And here you can see the salary information. Next I am going to update the task, that is timesheet. I am clicking on this edit and here you can see the normal hour is 8, unit is monthly and the hour charge is 100. So if I am updating the timesheet, now I am updating the timesheet for April month. I am updating the April month timesheet for 3 days. Here I am mentioning the 3 days. Here we can mention the description. Okay, here we can mention if this date is weekend or not. If weekend, we can click on this button and give the worked hours directly as overtime. If we are entering directly overtime, then the spent hours will change. So next I am giving as 10, and here also I am mentioning as 10. So the normal hours is 8. So I am mentioning, if I am mentioning the duration as 10, so the 2 hours will be calculated as overtime. So I have spent 30 hours in April month. Next I am creating the timesheet for May month. For May month also I am giving the timesheet for 3 days. Okay, so I am mentioning one of the day as weekend, and I am updating the worked hours directly as overtime. Next I am giving duration as 10, so the 2 hours worked as overtime. So this total hours is 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay. Next I am creating sale order. For that, go to the CRM lead, click on project. Here there is one button called sale order. I am selecting the from date and to date, and I am clicking on this sale order button. So if you click on this one, you can see for 1 month it is 1000. So the total value is 1000. Next I am going to create a payroll. So I am selecting the employee name. Here I am creating a payslip for April month. So the employee wage will automatically come, number of total days, and daily wage will be automatically calculating. And here, okay, after this you can mention if any income amount is there. Right now I am giving the income amount as 50. So after this you can click on compute sheet. So the overtime date, that is per hour, will automatically come, which we have given in while creating a CRM lead. So the timesheet is for 3 days. So the total working days is 3, and the basic hour is 16. That is 8 into 3, 8 into 2. Okay, per hour is 100. Here there is no overtime in previous month, so it is coming 0. So if you check the salary computation, the basic salary is 500, that is 166.67 into 3, and the overtime is 0 because there is no overtime. So income is coming here, so the total amount -550 minus 150, 400. So if I am taking the payslip for May month, selecting the from date and to date, and here I am mentioning the income amount as 50. So after that, if I am clicking on this compute sheet, you can see the overtime rate has automatically come, and in compute sheet basic salary is 161.29 into 3, that is work days, and previous month overtime is 14, so 14 into 100, 1400, and the income is 50. Hope you understood. Thank you.